Small changes can make a huge difference. So in this video, I'm showing you how I went from this to this and from this to this. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is decision making day. There are lots of things in this room that don't need to be in here, including this stuff down here. Most of it just needs to go out of the house, but there's no way to really do that right now because we're all in lockdown. There just needs to be more space in this room. There's just too much stuff. So today I'm going to decide what's going or what can go and just make some more room. These boxes, for example, can go down into the garage and just live somewhere else for the time being. I kept working last week and I did a little bit more. I sorted these out. I didn't do much, but I'll show you in a minute what I did do. So the decisions I need to make now for this have to do with what I'm doing in the drawer. So just by chance at the grocery store this morning, I found these trays and I just picked up a few and I've realized that this configuration works really well. I have a couple more of the smaller ones. So what I need to do is just sort out things in the drawers to figure out how many more of these trays I need. So I basically have 5 drawers that are empty now. So I will need to figure out which ones I need so I can buy them next week. And the last decision that I'm going to make today is how I'm going to rearrange these shelves, because when I'm sitting over here and I've got this shelf as my background, it's not as pretty as I would like it. There's things that just bother me behind me. So I think what I want to do is move these ribbon jars over and maybe just arrange the shelves a little bit more so they look pretty behind me. Okay, today I have an assistant with me today who's going to help me arrange and clean. So we're gonna get to work and then I'll show you the after when we're all done. Ready to get to work, Juliet?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So there was a few boxes down here that I wanted to move out, and after I did, I realized that there were 2 boxes, this one and the other one under there, that were under there, and they are full of things that I need to go through. So this project, here's some more stuff here that I found. Oh, this project is going to take forever. Forever! Hey Juliet.
Yeah?
How's it going? This is the middle. This is the yucky part. This is the part I don't like because it's just a mess. Well, it's always a mess. I also found that box was in that corner underneath a bunch of like tote bags and a camera bag. I'm not going to keep them there anymore. I'm going to keep that space empty, maybe put something standing, I don't know, something pretty. So I'm going to empty this box and then I'm going to stand up my Carpe Diem kits in there and then put it under there because this is just too much. Too much? Yeah, so we're going to get rid of some of this stuff. This is from last week. I was so motivated after I finished that I kept going. I organized the little bowls on the top of the dresser and then I started to sort some of the things into the bowls. I'll keep going. The box is still full and there's lots more to go, but for now it's a good start. Okay, so we made some really great progress. This actually I've been wanting to do for a long time, put my ribbon jars there and just make this a little bit prettier. It took literally all of 5 minutes. This is what the other side looks like for now, but I may change it up in the future. This corner is now clear. Ugh, you don't understand how nice it is to walk in here and just be able to walk in here. So we moved there were some gifts and some things to be sent away in the mail, so we put all those away, and then anything that was to be given away, that all went in boxes in the garage. Thanks to Juliet. It was so much easier. Come on in, Juliet, and say hello. It was so much easier having an assistant, someone to just do all the running and walking and cleaning and all, you know, the running around that I didn't want to do. The floor over here is also very clear. Here's the before. You can see there's a pile of boxes of things that need to get put away, things to be donated, and a pile of bags and totes in the corner. I can't believe how gross this was before. Like, I couldn't even walk around. So I put my Carpe Diem down in that little white box. This corner is completely clear. I put all those totes and camera bags and other bags for planners. I don't go to crops a lot, so I put those down where we keep like our luggage and backpacks. And also, I sort of left those boxes there. We worked hard and I was just not I was done. So I didn't want to do that. So we left that for now. And I did sort this. I started to sort it, but that's also going to be a big job. So I think I'll just work at it little by little throughout the week. I have until our grocery run next week to decide what trays I will need. It was really lucky that I stumbled upon these trays and they fit perfectly. They could be a little deeper, but I think they will work out just fine. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I will send you to last week's where I started it all. Here's a last little look of the room. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite tea is. What are you drinking, Juliet?
Peppermint licorice.
Show the washing mug that you're washing. If you want one of these mugs, then I will link below so you can go buy one for yourself. Make sure that you are subscribed because next week we will continue tackling this mess. Juliet, you gonna help me next week?
Yeah.
You can do that by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.